What's up guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today in this video I'm gonna teach you guys how you can remove a person in the workspace in Slack. So what you're gonna do is just go to your Slack and go to any channel. Let me just choose content, and over here in the message box just type slash and then remove and then give a space and type and just choose the person that you want to remove. So let me just choose him and then just press the send button, and it will ask to confirm it. Just press remove, and then guys it will remove. That's pretty much guys. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching guys. I hope you like it. So just leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update from us. And also comment for more reviews and more contents like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.